In this lesson, we will be discussing the applications of datum in GD&T. First, let us understand what is meant by datum. Datum is theoretically a point or an axis or a plane. Datum is basically used as reference for locating the dimensions and the tolerance. Before moving into the datum principles, let us understand the key terms which is used in datums. A datum feature, it is a feature of a part that is used to establish a datum. Any GD&T symbol which is used to refer the datum feature, we call it as datum feature symbol. In the picture shown in the screen, you can identify the red color area that is called as the datum feature, and you can see a small alphabetical character which is encompassed inside a square box, that is called as datum feature symbol. When two or more features reside on the same plane, then we call it as coplanar datum features. And a datum feature simulator is a gauging instrument which establish a datum plane with a datum reference frame. As explained before, datum has three functions. The first function is to act as a reference for another feature. The second function is to locate the dimension of a feature. The third function is to give the position of the part in an assembly. Based on the requirement, we may require a single datum reference or a two datum reference or a three datum reference in a GD&T drawing. As I mentioned before, if you want to represent the position of the part in an assembly, then you need to have at least three references. The first reference can be a plane, second reference can be an axis, and third reference can be a plane or axis. These three references will help to identify the position of the part inside an assembly structure. You can see from the picture which is shown there, it consists of three components. We are going to see or study the position of the first component inside the second component. If you look at the picture, it consists of three datums, datum A, datum B and datum C, where datum A represents the planar position, how this plane is going to be mated with the assembly, and datum B represents the axis, how this component is going to be aligned along the axis or aligned along the line with the assembly feature, and datum C just shows the orientation of the component with the assembly component. In this case, we require a three datum feature. In case if a datum is composed of multiple references to form the datum frame, then we represent it through datum target. Datum target is referenced by the symbol as shown in the picture. Datum targets are mostly used with rough or irregular parts. So now I hope you understood the use of datum. Complete this workshop 11 to understand the usage of datum in a practical way. The workshop 11 consists of a drawing which consists of dimensions and tolerances. Now you have to mark the datum for the feature. The datum should be in such a way that it is going to fit inside an assembly. Once you complete this workshop, please refer the completed drawing which is there in the ORG site.